Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity. My new all-season Tesla floor mats just arrived. I let them air out for a couple days. Let's go ahead and throw them in the car and we'll see what they look like. So come along with me. All right, so first thing you're gonna notice is my floor mats are incredibly dirty. We just got back from a road trip. So let's go ahead and pull these out and probably do a little vacuuming, and then we'll throw in the new floor mats. All right, we're gonna do rear passenger to the right first. You can see it's got these grooves here. So this is the side that the other side is gonna come on top of. So we wanna make sure we position this one first. As you can see, I'll flip it over. There's no Velcro on the back. So this is either just gonna fit perfectly or we'll find out what happens. Okay, you know what? I can already tell I like this more than the factory mats because it kind of just lays right into place. So they say in the instructions, yes, there are instructions for installing floor mats, put it down and press firmly. So there's one. All right, moving over to the other side. Again, it kind of just sort of has one place to go. I'm gonna plant it in the bottom left corner here. If we've done this right, should just hook into place. All right, so as you can see, it looks like a perfect fit here in the back seat. We'll go ahead and push those front seats back and we'll take care of the front seats. All right, now it was the driver's side mat that actually bothered me the most here with the original mats. There was really nothing I could do to ever get this to really sit well. You can see it just kind of pops up in the corner. Maybe it's too far forward there. So I'm thinking if the front is like the back and it's a perfect fit, I'm going to be really happy with this. So let's go ahead and get started driver's side. Again, pretty dirty from our road trip, so let's go ahead and clean it out before we put the new mat in. All right, that's pretty clean. We've got some pesky dirt that really won't come away from the dead pedal area. Let's go ahead and throw in the new mat first. We'll see if it completely covers that, and if not, we'll reassess. And one thing I'll show you before I put this one in, you can see this does have Velcro, actually 6 spots of Velcro. So this mat should definitely not slide around once it's seated in place. All right, that one's a perfect fit. Check that out. Really happy with that one. We'll go ahead and move the seat back to easy entry position. Check it out. All right, really nice. One more side to go. All right, so let's pop out this passenger mat. Not too bad, a little bit to vacuum up and we'll be all set. drop in the last one. So this one's a little different than driver side. You actually have 2 spots of Velcro on the bottom, 1 in the middle, and nothing at the top. So I think this one goes higher up and it probably locks into place. So let's check it out. We'll find out. All right, there we go, looking good. All right, so there you have it. That is all season floor mats for the Model 3, direct from Tesla factory OEM mats. I know a lot of you are getting winter here fast and furious, so probably an investment you're gonna wanna make to help protect the interior of your Model 3. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one, everyone. If you liked this video and you'd like to see other videos like it, please always remember to subscribe to my channel, comment, and like. I try my best to read all of the comments and hopefully make improvements that you can see with each video as we go. And again, if you're buying a Model 3, Model S, or Model X, now's the time. The $7,500 tax credit, especially for those of you in the US, is almost about to have. So if you're looking to buy a Tesla, a new one, and you're not sure, now is the time. Order quickly, try to get delivery by the end of the year. And if you use my referral code, it's Michael34469. I'll have a link down below in the description, which will take you right to the order page. That'll get you 6 months of free unlimited supercharging. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.